So guys, this is the new BS6 avatar of the Suzuki Access 125, and yes, this is the nice blue color that I've picked up, and this is the BS6 fuel injected version. So all BS6 models are now fuel injected. So I'll just take you through a walk around of the entire bike. So I've picked up the top end model. This is not the deluxe model, but I've taken the one with the disc brake. So what you get here is the Nissan caliper with the disc brake. You get alloy wheels, tires by Seat, and you have a combined brake. So basically when you engage the front brake, you will be also engaging the rear a bit. So here you get the pilot lamps, the turn indicators. These are not LED. TVS has retained its design and shape. What they've done is very smartly given an integrated kind of headlight here, which is LED. So here you have the LED here. I'll show it to you in a while. So also, since this is BS6 and fuel injected, you have the push and release throttle cables here. So you can see this very carefully. So 1 minute. So it's a very neat looking bike if you see from far. The color is really good. So if I take you around here, so you have the normal switch here. So you have the ignition, you have the lock. So the startup is something like this if I show you. So you have this nice colored strip here. This is the function which I'll tell you. So I'll just go around here. So this is the battery voltage. This is the brightness of this entire display. Kilometers, the 68 done. A trip. And then you have the time. So it's not a very informative display, and you have the fuel gauge as well. So I'll show you the warning lights. You have the fuel injector warning light here. This bike will also tell you when the service is due, oil change interval. Here there is a malfunction light if you see here, and this particular strips here will turn green. I'll show you. You see that? It turns green. So when it turns green, that means you're riding in the correct RPM and the correct speed. So basically that's kind of like an eco mode that you have. You have the high beam, low beam. There's no pass switch. There's a horn. You have your turn indicators. You have a starter switch here. Here if you go to see, you can take a hook to grab your groceries or stuff, which is actually useful during lockdown. This is an optional charging socket that you can use. You have something to keep some stuff here. Okay, so I'll just shift on to the boot. This is how the boot opens. Very generous space. So it's quite good, spacious. A full-faced helmet like an HJC and all won't fit. A normal half-face will, but I don't recommend putting helmets in here. So never put anything on this. Is clearly mentioned here. Do not put any object on this part. Maybe the ECU and all will be here. So yeah, so you get a toolkit, you get a first aid, ample of space. Clicks into position. Yes, this is something really nice. But only thing what TVS has done is you have to kind of put this. It's not there's no switch for this. You have to get on the bike and then pull out this with the key. So it could have been better like how they have on the Activa 6G. There's a switch right there, and you can directly open the fuel gauge. This is not LED. This is also not LED. No LEDs here as of now. So if you see, it's 125cc. I'll not go through the exact figures. So here it's BS6 clearly mentioned here. So this is SEP Suzuki Eco Performance, and the tires are good. So it's a 10-inch at the rear. It's a 12 in the front. So pretty good stuff. So I'll just show you, start it and show you. With BS6 the bike has become really smooth. So I have ridden this bike. So basically nice exhaust note, very throaty exhaust note it has got. And I'll show you how the LEDs are. Pretty bright. High beam on. Pretty good. So this is the lights. I'll be switching this to LEDs of Osram. And the best part is this is metal. This everything is all fiber. So there's a nice chrome patch here. So the design elements are really good. So they've kept it pretty simple, and that's how I like it. So this is not a very jazzy scooter, and if you see the dimensions, the front is really proportionate to that of the overall sizing of the bike, unlike the Honda Activa 6G, which is a little bulky from the front, so the tire looks a little small. The exhaust is really nice. It's a chrome plated one. That's really good. And yeah, so I'll be putting the figures in the description box, but this is my overall view, and I've ridden this for around 70 kilometers, so it's pretty good and very smooth. It's like uber smooth on pavement. Yes, one more thing is it gets a telescopic fork here, so this makes a huge difference when you actually are riding on bad roads. This bike is really good in handling, so when it comes to bad roads, when it comes to really, you know, Mumbai roads, this bike can take it. And yes, basically it's a very simple bike, and I'll be also uploading a cinematic shot in another separate video, so please do check that out and tell me how it came out to. So this is like the first impression walk around of the Suzuki Access 125, and I hope you like it. And stay home, stay safe, do not go riding out, and take care, my lovely subscribers.